The best thing about YouTube Music is that both the YouTube and YouTube Music are like the same platform with a different name. Because when you like a song on YouTube app, what happens is that the music suddenly appears in your YouTube Music library. So when you want to download the song, just the song and not the video, then you can easily download the song on your YouTube Music app, so without you need to download the actual video part of it. And the best part, like YouTube Music comes with some additional benefits, like you can have like smart download, which can download your favorite song and even update it on a regular basis, not regular basis, but in a periodic interval, after a period of interval. So what happens, you can always get a fresh set of songs, like every time when you listen to, so that you don't have to listen to the same boring all the song all the time. So yes, but first let me just show you like how it's been done. So first let me just share my phone screen with you guys. So as you can see my phone screen. So first what you need to do is to make both the YouTube app and music both sync together. So what you need to do is like open a YouTube Music app first, then go to your profile, like first click on this profile icon, then come down to settings, then recommendation. Then you need to make sure that your show your like music from YouTube has been enabled. If it is disabled by and by somehow it has been disabled, then do enable it. So what happens is that, like if I open YouTube Music app, then if I like go to where is my music tab, yes, if I go to any kind of music, so when I so okay, let me first show you. My first song is this one. So right now if I just like this song here, so what happens, right now it's not showing because this page has not been refreshed. What you need to do is go back and again come back to your like music button area. Then as you can see, the song has been automatically been added to my YouTube Music library. So that is, the song name is Superstar feat Jayesh Karan. Sorry if I have misspelled the name. The song name is Superstar, and as you can see same here that I have just now liked the song on YouTube, so that's why it's been added to my YouTube Music app. And if I just again remove my like, so what you can see, so as you can see, so if I just again go back and again come back in, as you can see the song has been removed from my like music library from my YouTube Music app. So as you can see, this is how this is the way how you can like keep both the YouTube Music and YouTube app sync together. So but sometimes you might have seen that a song might not appear on your like a song that you have been liked on your YouTube app might not appear on your YouTube Music app. This is because this one thing only happens when a song has like a song that has been like a song need to be available on both the platform. Like as you can see, whenever in this case a song, like let me first highlight the point. Okay, as you can see, there is a YouTube Music YouTube Music icon over here. So that means this song is available on both the YouTube Music and the YouTube app. That is, this song is available on both the libraries. So a song that is available on both the app, then only when you press a like button here, only will appear on the YouTube Music app. But if a song, it may not be any song, but maybe a video, then in this case, like as you can see, there is no music button, YouTube Music button. So music will only appear in your YouTube Music app whenever there is like this button. There is this button available on any kind of song, so then only will appear. And if you just tap on this button, it will straightly land on your YouTube Music app and it will start playing that song. So as you can see, yes, So for a song to appear on both YouTube Music app and the YouTube app, it need to be available on both the platform, and then only if you like the music on YouTube app, then only it can be shown on your YouTube Music app. So this is how it happens. So like, if you found this video helpful, do give it a like, and share it with your friends. And if you want more, if you want to know more about these tech tips, then do subscribe to